Hi, Alexis Rene'e here. If you want to know how I travel this place, but yet I'm here using my green screen effect, stay tuned and watch my tutorial in Corel x10 Video Studios. Okay, so thanks again for stopping by my channel. If you're here because I'm sure you want to know how to use the green screen effect, and I'm going to try to do it as quick, easy, simple as possible. So you saw the clip beforehand, which was this one that I played, and I asked you all if you wanted to see how I use the green screen effect. Hi, Alexis Rene'e here. If you want to know how Okay, so basically that is me sitting down, and behind me is Paris, France. Now, I am not in Paris, France, of course, and I will not be floating that high in the air, but what I want to do is show you how I use the green screen effect to put myself somewhere that I'm really not, but yet make it appear as if I'm there. So if you are a pro and you feel like I made some mistakes, leave me some comments below. Help me out on that. I'm learning, and I'm trying to teach those who don't know as well as I did not know. Okay, so basically what I did, first, you have to have two components, and I'm just going to show you the two components that I use. I have a white light right here, and also, all right, let's just try to do that again. I think I just kind of messed that up, but I have a very bright light that I use because lighting is very important, and I have a green screen, which is just a sheet that I tacked on the wall and my chair that I'm sitting in front of. So, and of course, my camera is what I'm using. So we don't need that right now, but all I basically did was I sat down prior to my video, and I'm going to turn the audio off. I sat down prior to my video, and I recorded myself talking right in front of my sheet on the back, which is, of course, a shade of green. So prior to that, me doing the whole video, I also took another clip of Paris, France, and I basically just did a live screen to get this video in the background, and this is what I have. That is a downtown view of Paris, France, which I believe is a very pretty city. I've never been there. I would like to travel there one day. Okay, so enough rambling. To get back into it, once you have recorded yourself using your camera and whatever lighting that you may have, you want to take your first clip and put it on the second overlay screen. So by putting it on the second overlay screen, of course, you see that the clip is not the same size that it was before that I showed you in the two previous videos if I place it on the first overlay screen. Next, you want to go to Options, click on Mask and Chroma key, and click on your Apply Overlay option. Now, I already had mine set. You see that once here, it is a color overlay mask. Now you can pick your color picker. If your green is not that shade, you can make it to the shade of what green you may have, and based on your lighting. So I actually chose, this was one of the shades. I could not really choose, let's see. I couldn't choose that green because I didn't too much like it. So this green was closer to the shade that I have. So by clicking that, it eliminates my background, which is the green here, and it turns everything black. So I will click on there, then I will go to the actual screen where my video is. I will right click, and I will click on Fit to Screen. So now you can see here on the Fit to Screen, I have me, I'm here. You can kind of see the lighting bouncing off my forehead and my cheeks and my chin, but you do not see my green screen or my green sheet that I have in the background. So next I will go back to my video. Okay, and I will drop down the video on top. Now, you can see here, once I click there, I appear on the back. So all I needed to do is here, and then here I am. But you can see in the back where I did use that as their video. It was free, but I will give credit to them in the link description below, so you all can get it. So I will scroll it until I stop talking. And once I stop, let's see, about here, I will cut it. I'm using my S as a shortcut, or I could have, let me show you, I use my S on my keyboard as a shortcut to cut, or I could have scrolled to where I need to cut here, then I right click, and I could have used, excuse me, not right click, sorry, I could use the scissors right there. So I didn't do that. But besides that, I cut it here, and as you see, once it goes away, it's no longer a video there. But here, I'm back. So let's show that all over again. So once I do that, I will go. Those are the steps that I've chose. Then my whole video clip is already made. I did it prior to this video. I will click share, start, and it'll copy it. So show you the video again. This is me. This is the video in the back.
Hi, Alexis Rene'e here. If you want to know how I travel this place, but yet I'm here using my green screen effect, stay tuned and watch my tutorial in Corel X10 Video Studios.
Okay, well, I hope this helped someone. If I went too fast, please let me know. Leave me some comments below in the comment box. And once again, thank you for watching Alexis Rene'e Photography on another tutorial using Corel Video Studios X10